Managing AI and ML projects isn't just about coding models. It's about structuring the entire workflow for long-term success. If you're an intermediate-level AI professional, data scientist, or project manager, CPMAI V7 is the framework you need. I'll break down expert tips to help you score higher, write stronger responses, and finish faster. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding CPMAI V7. What is CPMAI? CPMAI, Cognitive Project Management for AI, is a structured AI project management methodology that integrates agile best practices. For fast, iterative development, CRISP DM, cross-industry standard process for data mining, a proven data science framework, AI governance and compliance, ensuring responsible AI deployment. What's new in V7? Better AI governance and ethics frameworks, stronger focus on model monitoring and automation, scalable workflows for enterprise AI. Step 2. The 6 phases of CPMAI V7.1. Business understanding objective. Define AI's purpose in a business context. Align AI goals with business objectives. Set measurable key performance indicators, KPIs. Identify potential risks, e.g., ethical concerns, bias, regulatory compliance. Pro tip: clearly define success metrics before starting. Avoid vague objectives like, we need AI. Instead ask, how will AI improve efficiency by X%? 2. Data understanding objective. Ensure you have the right, high-quality data. Assess available datasets, structured versus unstructured data. Identify data quality issues, missing values, inconsistencies, biases. Understand regulatory constraints, GDPR, CCPA, etc. Pro tip: intermediate teams should spend time profiling and cleaning data. Bad data leads to bad AI. 3. Data preparation objective. Transform raw data into usable datasets. Clean, format, and normalize data. Engineer relevant features to improve model accuracy. Set up automated data pipelines for future scalability. Pro tip: automate as much as possible. Use tools like Airflow, DVC, or MLflow to manage data pipelines efficiently. 4. Model development objective. Build and refine AI/ML models. Select the right algorithms, e.g., CNNs, RNNs, decision trees. Train, test, and validate models with proper datasets. Tune hyperparameters for optimal performance. Pro tip: don't just focus on accuracy. Ensure explainability and fairness to make AI models more reliable. 5. Model evaluation objective. Validate AI models for real-world performance. Measure performance using appropriate metrics. F1 score, precision recall. Test for bias, fairness, and model drift. Get stakeholder feedback before deployment. Pro tip: many AI models fail in production because they weren't tested in diverse environments. Simulate real-world conditions before deployment. 6. Deployment and monitoring objective. Deploy AI models into production and ensure continuous performance. Deploy AI models using cloud platforms, AWS, GCP, Azure. Implement continuous monitoring and logging. Set up automated retraining pipelines to combat model drift. Pro tip: MLOps best practices help teams deploy models faster and with fewer failures. Use monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or Kibana. Step 3. Why CPMAI V7 is essential for AI success. How CPMAI V7 helps. AI teams, stronger AI governance, ethical AI implementation, faster iterations, agile-based continuous improvements checkmark, scalable AI models, automate data pipelines and model retraining checkmark, risk reduction, identify and mitigate AI failures early. Step 4. Best practices for intermediate AI teams. Key best practices for CPMAI V7. Success: use data. Versioning tools, DVC, MLflow for dataset tracking. Adopt MLOps principles, automate retraining, and CI/CD pipelines. Prioritize AI governance. Implement fairness and bias checks early, work in cross-functional teams. AI requires collaboration between data scientists, engineers, and business leaders. Step 5. Next steps and implementation. How to implement CPMAI v7 in your AI projects. 1. Assess your current AI workflows. Identify weak points. 2. Apply the CPMAI phases. Step by step. 3. Set up automated pipelines and MLOps tools. 4. Continuously monitor and improve models. Step 6. Final thoughts and call to action. Want to learn more? Take CPMAI certification courses, join AI project management communities, stay updated on AI trends and best practices, like and subscribe for AI and ML insights. Drop a comment if you have CPMAI questions.